pocket, a great big trophy on the mantle to impress the neighbors. The 98 car, DJ Masley leads the way out, followed by the 19 automobile. Sandra Lamada. Car number 410, John Smith, bringing that 71 Oldsmobile Cruise out of Franklin. Wilbur Babcock in the Pontiac automobile, the green and white 69J. 6-7, Joe Calabrese, the 83 Chrysler. Bill Babcock in the 460 automobile, jockeying for his position. He'll be curved up against the barricade.
You sure do, kid.
Chris Moreno in the Crunch automobile takes his turn. Curves up against the barricade as well. Mike Garrison in the black 284 Ford automobile out of Sussex up against the logs, and this time Bill Babcock in the 460 repositions the automobile. He's up against the wall now. Uniform track officials will be taking their positions once again. Safety crews at the readiness, please. Heat number 3 about to begin. 4 more moving on to the feature here tonight, the Great New Jersey State Fair with Nationwide Demolition Derby. Remember, it's your part of the show, folks. The louder you are, the harder the hit here on the dirt. Help us out and count it down from 5, 4. Louder, louder. Showtime, showtime. Heat number 3 off and running. Who's it going to be? 4 more moving on to the feature here tonight.
Well. Yeah! Yeah! Woo! Go Will! That's all right, that's all right. Do it again! Rip that shit up! Break the fucking car! Oh, he's here. We're here. One guy on. Come on, Will. Come on, Will.
Drivers, red flag, uniformed officials onto the field. That Crunch automobile off then. Get that wheel working off then. Get that wheel off the track, folks, so it doesn't end up anywhere we don't want it to be.
Oh, whose wheel came off? They just said, there was a wheel on the track.
For some of these drivers out here.
No, I don't think it is.
Watch for drivers back to green.
Oh, yeah. A couple of them.
shut them down, the red flag. Uniformed officials approaching the automobile. Checkers are coming out